If you're a data junkie like I am, take a look at the next slide as we take a look at last week's Northeast Wisconsin weekly housing statistics. As we look at that data for the week of November 29th through December 3rd, there are 3 takeaways that I want you to remember for this week. Overall, as we've been looking back for the last 6 weeks, the levels of new houses on the market seem to fluctuate from week to week, but overall, they're about the same level. So not much fluctuation over that time period of mid-October through the end of November, even though it may feel like it to some. Secondly, there are several markets that, as I looked at the data, that the houses, there were many different price ranges within the different markets that we serve here in Northeast Wisconsin. So as the graphic shows, in Appleton, the homes are a little bit higher priced. In Fox Crossing versus Neenah Menasha, definitely higher priced, or at least those that came on the market last week. And then in the Oshkosh and the Fond du Lac area, the homes that came on the market last week were really in that under 150K range. So not sure what that's signaling at this point, but I did notice that as I looked at the data when I downloaded it. The other takeaway, the third takeaway, is that many folks closed in the last 2 weeks. Even though last week was a short week and there were no banks or title companies open Thursday and Friday between last week and this week, there were in excess of 250 closings just here in the Valley. That's a lot of activity for the end of November. Have a blessed week.